Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful 3D crochet waves pattern. It's only one row repeating and reversible pattern. So simple, so fast crocheting. Only one row repeating, and I made a border on it. It's so simple to actually it's the world's easiest border. So simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If my video comes so speedy, please click here and slow me down. If you want to translate my video, again you can click here and translate my video. I hope you like it and you will try that. Let's start crochet. I use in my blanket pattern this yarns for baby clothes, baby things, and size is 3. It's one ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 210 meters. I want to use them together, so it gets more thicker. I will use 6mm hook. Okay, with them you can choose which yarn you want. You will select your hook proper to your yarn. For this pattern you need multiples of 4 plus 2 chains. Okay, first of all I will make here a slip knot, then make my chains 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. That's enough for my sample. I make here multiples of 4 chains. Now add here 2 more chains. Okay, then I want to see clear edge, so I will turn my chains and find these back loops. Skip this very first, insert your hook, second one, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops, pull through all together and make single crochet. Insert into the next, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops, make single. Insert next, grab your yarn, make single. You will make a single crochet in each stitch. Okay, until come to the end. I will make my single crochets and turn to you. I come to end, chain 1 and turn my work. We will start to make our pattern. Not count this chain 1, insert into the same stitch and make here single crochet. Then yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab my yarn, I have 3 loops, pull through 2 and pull through 2, make double crochet. Then yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, make 1 more double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the 4th one, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. Then 1 2 3 chains, yarn over, insert into the same and make here 3 double crochet. 1, make 1 more, 2, yarn over, make 1 more double crochet, totally 3 double crochet. Then skip 3, insert into the 4th one, join with a single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, in the same stitch which we did single crochet, make here 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, skip 1 2 3, insert into the 4th, make single, 1 2 3 chain, Then make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth, single crochet, chain 3, make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 2 and 3. Keep the same thing, skip 3, make single, chain 3 and make 3 double crochet in the same on the fourth stitch. Okay, complete it, come to end and turn to you. I come to end, skip this 1, 2, 3, the last one, make single crochet. Okay, finish the row like that. Always we will repeat one row, and this is the third row, is this your repeating row. Chain 1 and not count, turn your work, insert into the same, make single crochet. Then add 2 double crochet in the same stitch, as same as previous row. 1 and 2. Then skip 1 and 2. You know we have here 3 double crochet. Skip these 2, insert the third one as front post, single crochet. Then 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, insert that chain 3 space and make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then you see here 3 double crochet previous row, skip these 2, insert the third one as front post, join with a front post single crochet. Then 1, 2, 3, yarn over, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 double crochet in chain 3 space. Skip these 2, insert third double as front post, chain 3 and make 3 double crochet in chain 3 space. Skip 2, insert the third one as front post, then chain 3 and make 3 double in chain 3 space. I come to end, you know, skip these 2, insert the third one is our single crochet, join with a single crochet. Now again chain 1 and turn, not count that, insert into the same, make single crochet, then add here 2 more double crochet in very first stitch, then join them, previous rows 3 double crochet you see, skip 2, insert the third one as front post, single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, you see chain 3 space, make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then join it to the skip 2, insert the third one as front post. You will keep repeat as same as. I will make it bigger and turn to you. I repeated a few times. Now I will show you how you can finish your pattern. Now here again chain 1 and turn, insert into the same and make single crochet here. Then you know in the pattern we made 2 double crochet in the same stitch, but we need to finish that. Only 1 single crochet is enough here. Then I have here 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Skip these 3 chains, come to this single crochet stitch and make 4 here. 1, 2, 3, skip this 3 chain. In the single crochet stitch I insert and make single crochet. 4 sets you will keep like that. At the end, finish the row with single crochet. That's the finishing of this pattern. You can finish your projects like that. I come at the end of the row. Now you can see here on left one stitch. I insert that and finish my row with single crochet. Now I want to start my border. You can pick a new color yarn, different yarn, but I want to continue with the same yarn. So chain 1 and not count that. I accept here my first corner, insert here, make single crochet here and make one more single crochet. I made here 2 single crochet. When I turn all around this round and come here, complete the corner stitch 3, make one more here. Then I will insert my hook in the posts. Actually every row, maybe at a few in the middle of them. So I want to make here not so tight looking or not so loosey. Okay, make here 1, make in the stitch here post, the important thing, how much stitch you made this side, it needs to be as same as this side. Okay, you will be careful about that. I will make my single crochets. I come to corner here, this is corner stitch. I insert here and make 3 single crochet in there. 1, 2 and 3. Turn my work and I have a stitch. I will make a single crochet in every each stitch. Okay, this side is so easy. I will make them when I come to corner, make 3, then be careful the number of this side as same as this side. Turn all around, come to the end and turn to you. I come to end, you know we made here 2 single crochet and this is the third one here and join with a slip stitch. Now we will make the world's easiest border on this blanket because it's so 3D. It's no need anymore effect. Chain 1, insert my hook next stitch, grab my yarn and make slip stitch. Chain 1, insert next stitch, slip stitch. Chain 1, insert next stitch, slip stitch. That's it. We will make this in every each stitch. Turn all around, chain 1, next stitch, make slip stitch. That's it. I complete and turn to you. I turn all around, you can see that. Come to end, chain 1, insert here, join with a slip stitch, make here one more slip stitch and finish our blanket. Yes, that's it. I hope you like it and you will try that. It likes waves and so simple, only one row repeating and so simple border too. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.